Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we walk through the official syllabus for the Cisco Implementing Data Center Infrastructure exam to help you prioritize study time and lab practice. This exam is divided into 5 domains with exact weights. Implement Data Center Infrastructure 25%, Implement Data Center Protocols 24%, Implement Routing and Switching Protocols 22%, Implement Storage Networking 15%, and Implement Data Center Infrastructure Security 14%. Knowing these weights helps you allocate study hours and focus on hands-on practice where the exam emphasizes live configurations and scenario-based questions. Implement Data Center Infrastructure is 25% of the exam, rated hard, with an estimated 35 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn Nexus virtualization and availability features such as virtual device contexts, resource allocation, virtual port channels with peer link and keep alive configuration, VPC consistency checks, graceful insertion and removal, and fabric extender deployment. You will also master management and monitoring using SPAN and ERSPAN for traffic analysis, NetFlow for observability, Smart Call Home, XML and NetConf interfaces, scheduler automation, EAM scripting, and precision time protocol. Implement Data Center Protocols is 24% of the exam, rated hard, with about 30 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. This domain covers overlay technologies including OTV, Fabric Path, and VXLAN so you can design stretched Layer 2 domains and scale multi-site connectivity. Expect to implement OTV control and data planes with unicast transport, multi-homing and IS adjacency, and fragmentation controls, and to configure Fabric Path IS control, emulated switch identifiers, multi-destination trees, VXLAN flood and learn behavior, VTEP configuration, VXLAN BGP EVPN control plane, and Lisp for workload mobility. Implement Routing and Switching Protocols is 22% of the exam, medium difficulty, with 25 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will strengthen standard Layer 2 switching skills for data centers by implementing Rapid Purvlan Spanning Tree, Multiple Spanning Tree, Bridge Assurance, BPDU Guard, Loop Guard, Root Guard, VTP version 3, and UDLD to keep the fabric stable. On the Layer 3 side you will deploy OSPF2 and OSPF3, configure BGP peer groups and route reflectors, use BFD for fast failure detection, apply policy-based routing, implement first hop redundancy like HSRP or VRRP, and configure multicast routing with PIM and IGMP. Implement Storage Networking is 15% of the exam, medium difficulty, with about 20 hours of study and both hands-on and conceptual assessment. You will learn fiber channel fundamentals including port types and domain parameters, and how to integrate FCoE with FIP, priority-based flow control, EDS, and DCBX for lossless Ethernet. SAN management topics include VSAN trunking and tagging, fiber channel zoning styles, device aliasing and smart zoning, NPIV and NPV configurations, and managing storage VDCs and F-port trunking within the Nexus fabric. Implement Data Center Infrastructure Security is 14% of the exam, medium difficulty, with an estimated 18 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches infrastructure hardening across control, management, and data planes by implementing Cisco TrustSec, role-based access control, port security, and private VLANs. You will also configure DHCP snooping, dynamic ARP inspection, IP source guard, control plane policing, and routing protocol keychains to protect the fabric and administrative access. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the Cisco Implementing Data Center Infrastructure exam. Use the domain weights and estimated study hours to build a study plan that balances reading, lab practice, and scenario exercises, and focus first on the high-weight areas like Nexus virtualization and overlay protocols. Good luck, and remember, consistent hands-on practice is the fastest way to pass.